Yes.
So where are we to today, Emily?
Paradise Park.
And you have brought with you
Bongo.
and
My treats.
your Halloween bucket, and you're in your Halloween jumper. And it's January. Yeah? That's the way you roll, yeah?
I need to see the dinosaur.
We'll go see the dinosaur, shall we?
Dinosaur.
There is a dinosaur, it's a big one. Oh my days.
Oh, it's not open yet.
Go on, be brave, Emily, be brave. He's not going to hurt you. Go on, be brave. Go on.
His eyes on me.
He's not going to hurt you. Go on. Give him that little sweet.
I'm so scared.
Go on. Go on.
I'm so scared to give him a treat.
Do you like it?
Yes. He got bubble gum. Eat it.
Eat it, did he?
Yeah. He's blowed, Daddy. He's blowed away.
Oh dear. Yes, Emily? Right, here we are at Paradise Park.
Yep.
First time since last May?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've been here before. Gonna go find some birds, which is handy because that's what Emily's been looking at school this week. I think there's a few dinosaurs hidden away here or there as well, maybe. And Emily, do you think there's a soft play here?
Yes.
Do you reckon we'll go in there at some point?
Yes.
Yeah?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll probably make our way in there at some point. And we'll probably have a bit of lunch. But we've got a free entry today because we paid a discount return ticket for today. Because we came last year, valid for a year, you pay a reduced little rate. And you can come in any time up until the end of March.
There's so many bosses.
So this has been a dry January day.
The bosses.
We forgot to use ours last year, so we'll make the most of it this year. Right, so we'll take you in a bit and we'll have a look around. And today we've been joined by a ninja. The best kind of person to be around birds because he can sneak up on them and... Oh my goodness me. You take a picture with a new camera, Emily? Oh, that's a good shot, that's a good shot. Quick, get it. Nice. Hello? Oh, what's happening? Oh, a lot there. There's more of this here.
We have a lovely couple of penguins here today this morning. These guys are a South American residents. Very nice these guys, but still a bit cold. So I'm on that heat. See another report here. We have Cornwall. We've got 24 of them all together now. See, I'm bringing them some fish here. This is basically scraps. This is juvenile white-bait fish, nice clean fish. In the wild, we've got loads of different species of salmon, herring, all sorts. Mainly that marine type of fish. These guys are a marine animal.
So they can swallow up to about 20 to 30 fish at a time. So they are little gustlers, aren't you? Yeah. Imagine these guys will be swimming out into the wild, into the oceans. They're basically catching as many fish as they can, putting it back on land. As you can see some of the ones from the pool. Basically, when it's on land, they'll digest. So work through all those little bits in their stomach. Good job. It's a lot more delicate than the other penguins. Not very snatchy, I imagine.
All his weapons as well.
A lot more used to like hearing contact than kangaroos, bless her. She imprints goggles as well.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh.
Go Anna! Have you got the heart of the feety?
It's sunny, Emily. What is this orb in the sky? Whoa, 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 whoa. She's done. Oh, good work. Oh, that's a big gap. Right. You can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Whoa. Right, see if you can do it yourself now. Oh, we've got a flossing ninja. You're going to floss on the beam. Who is the ninja though? Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Oh, it's Eli! I didn't realise Eli was here today. Kept that quiet.
I've been Moana.
You've been Moana, are you? Go on, up you get. Right, see if you can do it by yourself. Just balance. One foot. Oh, that'll do.
Very good.
Good technique.
Good work, Mama.
Oh, look at that. Whoa, constant spin. You wave, Emily?
Look out for the reindeer in the window.
There's no reindeer in the window.
There are reindeer. You did a lot.
Let's see if we can catch it. Are you ready?
Hello.
Right, do you need the toilet, darling?
Hello.
Okay.
Hello!
Got on film.
Bonjour, le capitano!
And here we have a YouTuber in the wild. I believe this one goes by the name of Cornwall Family Life.
Oh yeah, really?
His eyes
Yeah.
on me.
They're usually quite upright, aren't they?
Don't put my eyes on me. No, thank you. He's looking. She's scary. Who is he looking at? It's not scary at all.
It's called a great grey owl.
How to feel these dinosaurs?
Oh, dinosaurs!
These look exactly like I mean, there's 6 dinosaurs. 6 dinosaurs.
6 of them. Whoa.
Oh no!
There's a very, very small one.
Not too much to see. That's just I need people help.
Oh, I was going to say, is that not a flying one? But no, that is a parrot. Emily loves the tractor.
Come on the board.
Yeah? Can I jump on at the back?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming on. Coming on. Got a little step for me. Oh, lovely. Right, where are we off to then, Farmer Emily?
We're going to a place that's so long.
I don't alarm you, but you've got a ninja on your tractor. Oh my goodness me.
He's my friend.
He's your friend?
Yeah.
Wah!
Everyone's coming, look!
Oh, I fed the baby one.
Yeah, you probably must have known this. That baby one's so cute. Cuteness factor.
I did actually get a photo. It's actually.
Right,
Wait, Emily.
Wait.
You've been
that's
told.
right, Bella.
What?
Right,
No,
3,
wait.
2, 1, go.
No to react there, Isabella.
Hello.
Hello.
And if you can see in the distance there, it's the lesser spotted YouTuber. They're very shy. When you find they're being filmed, they put on a show for you. The rest of the tribe are over there somewhere. They're taking their merry time. No rush, guys. No rush at all. We have come to Paradise Park on a very, very nice day in January. A little bit chilly, but it's nice and sunny. And here we have the green waste recycling area. Lovely. So we're doing a bit of composting in there apparently. Lovely job. Is it working or no?
It's just only. Nice to see the sun out.
Nice day, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a bit of sun.
Bit of chill, but lovely sun.
But Sarah, there's a train in the
Sun in the
distance
air.
there.
Don't come up here, Ria.
Hello up there. What's on up there? Is there a party? Have we lost the ninja? He's gone missing.
Can't find him anywhere.
Uh-oh.
Where
Shall we go have a look?
is he?
Where
Oh,
could the Eli be?
He might be in the bed.
Where could Eli be? Does anybody know where the Eli could be? Nobody knows.
Hello, how are you? How are you? Hello. Bye-bye, you say.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello. Hello. Oh, is that dancing now?
Hello.
Yeah, is he dancing? I thought I'd show you not here. Well, you want some pants, don't you? I think the sun is loving it. Yeah? He's a pretty boy. Oh.
All right. Hello.
Very squeaky.
Yeah.
You see what they're
A
giving
nice
them?
munch.
Aw.
There's a little mouse. by the looks of it.
Yeah. Nice.
Bye.
We're at Paradise Park. It's a place with birds. You like the bird? Yeah, you? Right on then. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Hitchens Family Adventures, because you never know, might not go on, might not happen. Right on.